I think that's such important advice, right? Your ego is not your amigo. When you've got a manager, or if it's an outside consultant, like you were talking about with Russ, you know, somebody coming to ride along with you, they have the same objective that you do, and that is to make you better. They have no interest in trying to, you know, undermine what you're doing. They're only there to try to help you get better. And so, you know, listen with an open mind. One of the things, too, that can come from these ride-alongs, and I want to talk about a ride-along that Drew Cameron did with me, you know, 16, 17 years ago. I was working as a residential salesperson for a company here in Colorado Springs, and Drew went with me. He was as a consultant for this company, but he went with me on this ride-along, and he didn't say much during the entire call. When we came out, we got in the car, and he says, dude, I think you're good to go. And really didn't, like, we'd been working on a lot of training stuff, and the confidence that I got from that, when I went through an entire sales call, I was a comfort advisor, so a little different than a maintenance technician or a service technician, but the reality is the confidence that I got from that call, he gave me a couple of pointers, but for the most part said, hey, you're good to go. And I felt like $1 million, like, hey, I think I understand how to do this. And my productivity just rocketed from that point.